The word schema is generally used to describe patterns of repeated behaviour which children use to explore and express their developing ideas and thoughts through play and exploration. In the following clips, you will hear practitioners' explanation of what they understand schematic development to be.
Schematic development is a repeated pattern of behaviour that children will show through their play.
Mae'n patterns nhw'n wneud trwy gydol y cylch, so maen nhw ddim jyst yn wneud unwaith. Mae rhywbeth nhw'n wneud pryd maen nhw'n peintio, bydd nhw'n wneud yr schema yma, pryd maen nhw'n chwarae gyda'r byd bach, bydd yr un schema yn cael ei gweld trwy yr adnoddau i gyd.
Schemas or repeated patterns of behaviour are an essential part of children's development. Young children learn a lot through their schematic play. These repeated patterns of behaviour support children's cognitive development as they construct knowledge through trial and error while they interact with the world around them and begin to make sense of it and how they can impact upon it. Let's begin with identifying schemas.
It's important for practitioners to understand schematic development because it enables them to provide resources and put things in place to carry the children's learning on.
And of course, their patterns of behaviour, you're seeing it on a daily basis.
Yeah.
It's there, so it's important that we understand what they are.
As enabling adults, we should understand the different types of schemas and be able to identify them in children's play, so we can support children's learning and development effectively. Some children may have a dominant schema, while others may have a cluster of schemas. The following short clips demonstrate the sorts of repeated behaviours that children may exhibit during their play. Being able to identify a schematic pattern of behaviour means that we can consider how to support children's thinking and learning. We can see this child currently has an enclosing schema and also presents with a positioning schema. This clip shows a child playing with blocks and building a tower. Notice how he stacks the blocks while building. This repeated behaviour suggests he may have a vertical trajectory schema. We would, of course, use other observations of his play to decide if it is a schema. When considering his development across the developmental pathways, we can see that exploring the blocks supports his physical development, as he uses his fine motor skills to position the blocks. He is also exploring mathematical concepts of size and shape, and how to balance one block upon another. So what might our role be here? We may want to offer vocabulary as he builds. For example, how tall is it, or how high? We may want to comment on whether the blocks are steady, or we may want to make a suggestion. Only those who know the child best will know the best way to interact and what they need to support their understanding.